Hi again, all you lovely parents. Today, let's talk about one of the most important topics for the parents of more than one child: how to deal with sibling rivalry, how to reduce their fights, and how to make a strong bond between your children. Before we go deep into it, let me thank one of our subscribers, Pooja, who left a comment in one of my previous parenting videos to cover this topic. I would also like to urge all of you that if you want any particular topic to be discussed, then please mention it in the comments so that I can try and cover it in the next video. So, sibling bonding. Parents of multiple children spend most of their time in resolving fights and arguments of their children. Sibling bonding is one of the most beautiful things that you can encourage and reinforce in your family as parents. It is something that you are investing in as the family so that you can reap rewards in the future as your children grow up. It is going to be the support structure for their life. So, how to encourage and facilitate sibling bonding as adults and as a family in our children? Let's see. So, let me share with you all a very simple formula called VAC. It is VAKC, not VACK. It is an acronym for visuals, auditory, kinesthetics, and commonality between your children. It talks about the learning styles of your children in which we should teach them. So when I say visuals, what I mean is that get them to see more things which remind them of their bonding with their siblings. It can be achieved in very simple manner by just putting down the moments which they have spent together, like when they are hugging or when they are playing together. So capture those moments and help them put in the scrapbook, or you can put them on the walls of their rooms and wherever possible. Create that visual impact for them to see the bonding. Another example can be to put a symbol of bonding in their physical environment. For example, you can ask one child to prepare a card or painting or any handmade item which can be put in the receiving child's room so that whenever they see it, they'll be reminded of their bonding. One more example can be to ask one child to do some few things for another child who's out for some activity or something, like putting away their books or making their bed or anything small as their age allows, which will help the child to remember that there is someone in their environment who cares for them and who are part of their family for life. Second aspect of VAC is auditory. Those things which we are enabling our children to hear in the environment about their siblings and their bonding. What are those things which we are talking about in the family about our children with our children? If we as parents are used to using neglecting sentences like, oh, do this thing first, this is important and you can help or play with your brother or sister later, then if we are expecting the child to have a bonding with their siblings, then there is no way it is possible. We as parents need to intentionally and consciously create an environment where we are fostering the bonding, where we are encouraging our children to have the sibling bonding. If one child has achieved something, then take along your another child to congratulate them for their achievements. Also remember to ask the child who has achieved to appreciate the support of their brother or sister for their achievements. Appreciate and encourage those moments where they have done something great together. The next part of VAC is kinesthetics, the doing part. This has got to do with having fun together, because having fun naturally is bonding. You need to encourage more of the family times and play times together with the children. This can be achieved with very simple things like pillow fights, board games, water games, and any such things which can help them bond together. Make sure while you are playing together that if you are forming the teams, your children should be in one team and you should be in the opposing team as a parent. because your responsibility is to create that environment where they are bonding together. So when you are playing with them, they are playing for each other as a team and unintentionally bonding together. Make sure that you encourage and create more and more of those moments as a family so that they can bond together and do things together. Now, the fourth and last part of WAC is commonality. Your children are two different individuals, and it is very difficult to find something common which they both like to do. Generally, one wants to do one thing and other wants to do totally different thing. But as parents and as a family, it is very essential to look out for those things which all of your children like to do. It may be painting or bicycling or playing piano or any such thing which they all like to do. Encourage those things and create that environment where all of your children those things which all of them like to do. It creates and foster the commonality and make your children's bond with each other stronger. Of course, a lot of family time is a definite must and essential for making your kids' bonds with each other stronger. To know more techniques about your children as per their personality to facilitate their bonds with their siblings, please do call or email us on the given number and email ID. You can also reach out to us on our website www.dishadeepan.com for more details. Please do subscribe to our channel to know more updates about parenting. Thank you so much and happy parenting to all of you.